Mami, first of all, Per, kamusta? After the trade that happened, you're back with the kamusta ka lang
Okay, okay naman po ako. It's part of the business naman, yung mga trades eh. So, this is not my first time, so I'm kinda familiar with it na rin. And I'm back to my old team, which is, bittersweet feeling, of course.
Mami, but how would your reflections lang on your time with San Miguel? You won the championship.
Yeah.
Although limited playing time, not
Yeah.
like Terafirma before, but how was your stay with San Miguel?
Oh, very grateful, very fortunate that I got to experience playing under San Miguel. Of course, getting to be teammates with the likes of Sina Junmar, Kuya Junmar, Marcio, Ciros, because I always looked up to them naman eh. Even during their time, the Det 5 pa lang. And getting to be teammates again with sila Chris Rosales, CJ Perez, Jericho. So I'm very thankful and grateful. Like, there's nothing personal. Actually, nung nakita ko sila, I was very happy to get to interact with them again.
Based from this tune din, mukhang the same Wami dati sa Terafirma. Ganun ba magiging role mo uli? Like the leading top scorer here, the number one option?
Of course, I have to work for it muna. At saka mas bata na yung mga kasama ko ngayon eh. I think ang mas magiging purpose ko, my role here is to help the young guys also, to help them prolong their careers also. Parang ayoko na rin naman masyadong isipin na lang parating sarili ko in a selfish way kasi matanda na rin ako eh, di ba? Tumatanda na rin ako. So if yung role ko is to help these young men, then so be it. But if I have to score, then so be it also. It doesn't matter naman po anong magiging role ko as long as at the end of the day masaya ako.
Yeah. Alam naman natin Terafirma sa baba, but
Yeah.
do you feel like kahit pa paano with you around and with the young guys, medyo may chance to maybe make a little push and
Yeah,
maybe battle for that yung mga last playoff spots?
Yeah, hopefully ma-replicate namin yung ginawa namin last time nila Stephen Holt, Isaac, Javi. Hopefully, pero obviously there's more work to be done, but it's also nice na nandito si Mava Hamisi to help with the load kasi we all know naman ano yung capabilities niya, and si Gio Chu up and coming, so hopefully we can develop him and maybe help makatulong to lead the team.
Actually, nabanggit mo na sila Stephen Holt, that was my next question.
Yeah.
Actually, yung naging champion yung
Yeah.
mga former teammates mo, Isaac, Kmart, how do you feel about them winning?
Very happy for them. Actually, may group chat nga kami. So, nag-message agad kami ni Javi congratulating Isaac, Kmark, at saka si Stephen Holt. And hopefully, they win more championships and more success in their career.
Parang si Javi na lang.
Si Javi na lang, si Javi. Malapit na rin yan si Javi for sure.
Okay. Sige.